All right, everyone, come closer. Come closer. Let me show you how to install this deriv robot 1.2 on your system once you have purchased it and I send it to you. Once you make payments for this robot, I send it to you. Now you can see on my screen how profitable it is. It is taking this trade and it has made a lot of profit already. So look at it on jump 10 indices. You can see the profit. And on Boom 500, you can see the profit, and it's also taking trades on other pairs. So let me just show you quickly how to install it in the shortest time possible. Now, first thing you need to do to install this is you are going to come to the Telegram. Possibly I send it to you through Telegram like this. So if I send it through Telegram like this, what you're going to do is just on it, right click like this, and then click on save. It is going to save. It is going to save. Then when it saves like this, okay, look at it. This is the monthly version, deriv robot 1.2 monthly. So that's the monthly version. It's going to save. You can save it. Okay, so I'm not going to save because I've already saved it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight and copy it. You right click on it to copy. Okay, so I'm going to right click on it to copy. Yeah, so I'm going to copy it like this. You can see here. So I'll copy and then I'll minimize, and then I'll go back to my MT5. Okay, so I'm coming back to my MT5. The one I'm going to do is I'm going to go to file. You can see file here. I click on file. This is file. I click on file here. Okay, so I click on file, and then I'm going to click here, open data folder. So open data folder, that's what I'm clicking. So you're going to open data folder for me. Open data folder. So I'm waiting for it to open data folder. Okay, so it's open now. So I'm going to click on MQL5. Double click on MQL5. So here you can see experts. So I'm going to click on experts because this is an expert advisor. It is a robot. But if it is indicator, so I'll just click on indicator here. So what I'm going to do, I'll just click on expert advisor, double click, and then it's going to open. Then I'm going to click on advisor. You can see advisor here. So I click on advisor. All right. So this is the place. As soon as I click on advisor and it opens, I'm going to right click within this place. You can see right click, and I'm going to click on paste. I just want to paste it here. This is it. I've clicked on paste. You can see it has appeared here. I've pasted it. Deriv robots 1.2, right? So that is it. So these are other things. Okay, these are just other things. So what I'm going to do now, since I've pasted it, I want to go back to my MT5. Okay, I want to go back to my MT5. Now I'm going to refresh this because this is where it's supposed to appear. So I'm going to refresh it. Two things you can do. You can either close your MT5 and then reopen it, or you just refresh. So I'm going to refresh. I'll click on refresh. All right, so I'm clicking on refresh. Okay, so I'm refreshing it. When I refresh it, you're going to see okay, so it has refreshed. Now if I scroll down, I'm going to look for it. Okay, so this is it here. This is the deriv robot 1.2 monthly and then 1.2 live. Okay, because I already have the live. You can see it is the lifetime version I'm using on my own. So you can subscribe to anyone you want. You can subscribe to lifetime version, you can subscribe to 6 months, you can subscribe to yearly version, you can subscribe to monthly version. It depends on what you can afford. All right, now after you have installed it on your system and you have imported it to your MT5, the next thing you want to do is to attach it to your various charts. So I have it on this chart already. Let me go to this Boom 300. I don't have it here. You can see I don't have it here. What I want to do is that you want to make sure, first of all, that this algo trading here, can you see this algo trading here? This is where they wrote algo trading. So you want to make sure that it is this stuff here is in green color. Okay, you want to make sure that it's in green color. If it's not in green color, that means it's off. Your robot will not work. So sometimes if you click it, it will be in red color like this. Okay, you can see red like this, can be in red color. If it's in red color like this, that means the robot is not going to work. But if you click on it, it becomes green like this, then the robot is going to work. That's it. Then the next thing you want to do is to switch your chart to the 1 minute time frame. This robot is going to be working on the 1 minute time frame, right? 1 minute time frame. Then I want to now go look for the robots. So I want to pick the live version. That's what I need on my system. I don't need the monthly version. I need the live version. So I want to click on it and then drag it. Click and hold, then drag it to the chart. Once you come to the chart like it, leave it. Okay, this is what it's going to do. So you can see the robots has appeared there. This is it here. Okay, so this is it here. And then here are the settings. So I'm going to show you the settings. I'm going to show you how to set it now. Just stay with me. Let me show you the settings now. So what I'm going to do, here is the lot size. You can choose the lot size you want. You can decide to go for let's say 0.2. That's the minimum lot size. Okay, depending on your account size, you can decide to go for 0.2. You can decide that you want to go for 1.0. It's all your choice. You know your account size, know what you're willing to risk. Okay, so 1.0. Then number of positions. Here, number of positions, this is where you choose the number of trades you wanted to take in one setup. If you wanted to take 5, like me personally, I choose 5. I love to use 5, that's why I use 5 as default. So you can decide to change it to maybe 2. Okay, just want 2. This is it. You can decide that you just want maybe 10. You can also choose, it's all your choice. So it's editable. That's what I'm trying to say. You can edit it to anything you want. So I prefer 5. Okay, stop loss 5. If you count 5 candles, the highest one, that is the stop loss. That's it. TP 2000% of the stop loss. So if stop loss is 5 pips, if your stop loss is 5 pips, the take profit is going to be 5 times. Is going to be 2000% of that 5 pips. Okay, that's your stop loss. That's your TP stop loss. So that's it. Then you can change it to anything you want. You can reduce it. Then leave these other ones the way they are. Leave every other thing the way they are. Okay. So basically, you should leave the stop loss the way it is and the take profit. Just leave them the way it is. This robot has an inbuilt trailing stop such that if price want to reverse, even when it has not gotten to stop take profit, if it wants to reverse, it can close the trade automatically. That's the beauty of this robot. Okay, it can just close the trade automatically because it has an invisible trailing stop. Okay, so that just it. Then come to common, make sure that this algo trading is ticked like this. Okay, if it's empty like this, just click on it and it will tick. Then that's it. Everything is okay. So the only thing I actually want you to adjust here is the lot size and then the number of positions. Just adjust them to your choice. Adjust them to your preference. Okay, then the rest of the parameters, just leave them there. Okay, like that, and then you click OK. That's it, done. So the robot is set. Okay, and you are good to go. You are good to go. You can begin to make money now. You can begin to make money now. You can see here you are making a lot of money already. You're making a lot of money here already. You can see is it profits, massive profits. So this is just how this whole thing works, guys. This is just how it works. So if you need this robot, contact me via Telegram. The Telegram link is there in the description box down below this video. Click the link and join our Telegram community. Then contact me via Telegram or my WhatsApp that you see there, and then request for this robot and I'll send it to you immediately once you make payment for it. Okay, it's just a token. That's it, and it is profitable. It's going to change the game for you. It's going to change your financial story this year. All right, so this is just it. Thank you guys for watching. Here's our Telegram. You can see we've got a lot of results, great results from this very robot. Great results, massive results. Okay, massive results from this robot. Okay, so just come for it. Okay, request for it and it will be yours. It will be yours right away. That's just it. You can see that's the results. Those are the results. Massive. Okay, so come for it and it will be yours. Goodbye.